Oh, watch out for that shit.
Oh my god! Oh, this is disgusting. Oh, I can't wait to get in the water.
I know, I'm excited.
Hey.
It's so hot today.
Oh, I love the feeling of hot sand on my back.
I wish I brought my boogie board.
Oh, I can't wait to go for a swim.
You want some suntan oil on it?
Yeah, that's not bad.
What's that smell?
I can't smell anything. All I can smell is that cheap aftershave. I wish you wouldn't get that brand.
Get up for a second. You stink.
Are you serious?
Yeah? Did you shower this morning?
Whoops, another one!
Oh my god! Did I just scrape something off my back?
Oh, that's disgusting. Is that shit?
Oh my god, it is!
Dog shit on the beach today. I'm sick of this. Ugh. As usual, too much rubbish in the bin. Oh, over this. Oh, enough of this.
Oh, so over it. Hate this jacket.
I said, Pamela, we're all in the same boat. But does she listen? Nah, she doesn't listen. She never listens to me. Ow. Ow. Oh, look over there. Look, there's a good bag over there. It's got some good stuff in it. I'm going to take it.
No, you don't. We've already got enough bags.
Are you stupid? But can't you see there's good shit in that bag?
We can't even get through the front door.
It's not my fault. Just calm down. I'll be back. It's my lucky day, Al.